That's quite the get-up, Liz.
Yeah.
Taking down the old security system.
Yep. Reinstalling.
Figured it'd be a good time to move it to the other place. The ladder's at the other place. What is up, everybody? We're back out here today, and we're gonna start pumping this guy here, and then I'm gonna hop on this tractor and probably guesstimate my water line going up the hill. Start digging that in. Actually, you know what, on second thought, I'm gonna dig it from my clean well over here. That way, when we pull the camper up here, and we're gonna have to do that, we'll have clean water instead of still messing with the muddy water initially. I can still trench that other line in, but maybe not just tee it in at this line here. So there'll be a tee in the ground right here, tying these two wells together. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll come over here and start digging the water line in. I don't know how I'm gonna do that very easily with that backhoe, but that's what I got. So that's what we're gonna use because it's free for now, other than the fuel we're putting in it. We don't have to pay a rental fee. So I'm gonna try to deal with it and see if we can make it work. I think we can. It's just gonna be a little slow. So yeah, we'll get some stuff set up. I want to get the generator running. We'll get this well pumping, try to clean that out a little bit. So we'll show you guys the initial water that comes out of that. It's probably going to be pretty muddy. It seems like initially there's going to be, I don't know, maybe 3 gallons of like crystal clear water, and then it'll change to mud. And normally it's pretty muddy. It pulls the shit that settled there. It'll pull all that up. And then once it pulls that initial kind of clob out, then it cleans up a little bit right away. But I think it's still going to be pretty dirty. So we'll see. We'll see what we got going on. I'll show everybody what we got here controlling this pump at least. So this is what they call a 4-wire pump, or a 3-wire pump, excuse me. It has 4 wires, but they call it a 3-wire pump. This is a control box for that. With that type of pump, you need a control box. This is an aftermarket from the same company, recommended for any pump. This is a pump tech system. It's a protection system for your pump. It senses if it's overpowered, underpowered, if voltage either drops or raises, it'll shut your pump off to save it. So when this well runs dry, if it runs dry, it'll shut the pump off for a set amount of time. Once that set amount of time is over, it'll kick the pump back on, see if it'll pressure up. If not, it shuts back off and resets. It keeps going so it doesn't burn up your pump. It's pretty slick little system there. So I'm gonna get these wired back in. I just didn't want to leave them out last night. There's a little bit of moisture, so I'm just gonna wire them back up and we'll get this thing running. Two pulls, calling it. Oh, first pull. Clean. There's the dirt. cleaner than it's been. A lot of water. A lot of water. We're gonna let that run just continuously so that timer doesn't get reset on the pump tech, yeah, the protection system. So I'm gonna back the backhoe over there. For those of you that don't know or didn't notice, in the shed install video, we actually dropped the roof. When we went to put it up the first time, the chain came unhooked, which can be super dangerous. So, I mean, we got lucky there, but we actually broke the muffler off of the tractor right here. So, yeah, there's that. We all make mistakes. So, I got another one. That's pretty rusty, so I'm gonna have to cut that clamp off or try to get it off, put this new muffler on, get this thing going, and start digging. All right, so it's afternoon now. We had family show up, so we hung out for a bit and piddled around. And then I went back to the house to eat lunch. I got this whole corner dug out. Not real smooth, but dug out. And then I decided I'll start shuttling stuff over. So we got the pop-up here that we're gonna be living out of for, I don't know, hopefully not too terribly long. And then, oh, down the way, I brought the boat over too. I mean, we're moving. So we brought all that over and we're starting to get a little start of a home site built up. It looks like something at least. Well, that's a wrap for today. We didn't get done what we wanted to get done, but that's how it goes sometimes. We did get some stuff done. We were productive, so that was cool. So maybe tomorrow we'll go get some more hose, some more line, and we'll have enough to dig that water line in up the driveway. But like I said, it was productive. We got some stuff moved over here, so that's cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for tuning into our channel. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe as well. It'll keep you up to date on any videos that we have coming out in the future. Thanks. See ya.